Tops table. We just finished our multi-course meal paired with wine, and it was fantastic. What do you say, Greg?
It was excellent.
Yeah. This is Tattooed Granny. Join me today for a 5-course gourmet meal with wild mushrooms paired with wine. Truffled popcorn, chanterelle salad, ahi tuna, duck breast, venison, and dueling desserts, all enhanced with different mushrooms. The night is low at Tops Table. We have truffle flavored popcorn and a sparkling brute.
With the salty stick, huh?
Yummy chanterelle salad. Look how pretty. Chanterelle salad and a tasty rosé. Chin chin. What do you think on that? Because I don't usually pick them there.
With some roasted potatoes.
Oh, chanterelle salad, delicious. They've been roasted. Divine.
Ones that they call beef steak and some other ones. So I suppose if you're in Wisconsin, common names are easy enough.
More salad. Ours wasn't pretty. That's not what I would normally order. But you guys know more about the language, so risotto is really good.
Ahi tuna.
Did you really think no?
Okay.
Yeah.
This will be the first dinner I've been to where nobody talks about the ahi at all. And we're all talking about the risotto and the aioli. I know, right? Oh yeah, and there's some fishy.
Lobster mushroom risotto. Out of this world.
So good.
The lobster
It's actually not overcomplicated. If you called it sushi, you didn't want to eat it. It just looks like
It's a good one.
Man, that was tasty. Duck breast. Okay. Chin chin. That's a duck breast
some
now.
of them have gone feral in the yard, so it's not, but that's it. Yeah, we have foraging later.
And a little oyster mushroom and a wild rice cake.
Really well.
Yummy.
And piss off is really well.
It is fancy.
Do you know the woods down?
Turn on all the time. There we go.
So what are wild mushrooms?
This is the main. It's some wild venison, a mushroom ragu, and delicious mashed pecan whole potatoes with a very delicious looking wine. Chin chin. I'll be back with my bite in a minute. And here's tonight's perfect bite.
But anything above 70 degrees, we keep our house cooler, so that's gonna do my coffee. I don't think I can do it there. Or even buy a heat register, because so once you're
The reduction is fantastic.
it's on the mycelium, and I just keep it next to the stairs.
Yummy.
It'll take about a week or so under exposure of mycelium.
Got this fabulous thing here. Right there. I'm gonna make my plate.
We went to a restaurant when our friends came in with dinner.
Okay. Oh,
They came into town. We went
Disaster
to a
averted.
restaurant in West Dallas, and they had coda creme, which is creme brulee without the top.
got the creme brulee,
And
we
it
got
was
the
really
chocolate.
kind of funny.
I ordered it, and my friend Carl ordered it. And he's going,
I taste the porcini in this dessert.
there's no crunchy top to it. And I go, that's because it's part of the creme,
The
not
dessert wine is perfect
creme
with
brulee.
it. Chin chin.
And he just couldn't understand it. It was kind of funny at first.
Oh, wow. Well, that's so great.
Yeah, he did.
Super different.
This is
But
fabulous.
he missed the sugar top.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I'm looking forward to a fabulous 2024 spring morel mushroom hunting season. Look for new videos soon.